not gonna lift his fucking self. And so you guys, this segment of top secret things, all right? I'd like to let you know that this is not a game. This is not just free information. I'm taking it at great risk to my own personal safety to share these ancient family secrets that were handed down to me generations through war, battle, migration, continental dividing, volcanic stuff. And I'm gonna let you know that spray away and gun cleaner are two of the most important products you can have in your gym to keep it safe and keep it operating, all right? Don't let my ancestors know I'm sharing this with you, okay? Both can be found at local stores.
Well, that's where I see things just a little differently. Contract or no, I will not bow to any sponsor.
Hey guys, welcome to the Warehouse Gym channel. I'm Adam Steele. Anyway, Cobalt and I are gonna show you some top secret tips on how to maintain your gym. If you own a gym or work in a gym, please pay attention. And if you find this helpful, let us know and we'll continue to do it. There are some secrets that I might be able to shed light on that might keep your facility up running and actually a desirable place that people might want to go to. And so let's get into it right now. So pay attention, here we go. Welcome you guys. So over here, I am going to show you why the Warehouse has the cleanest, largest sea of beautiful mirrors anywhere. Not only do I use thicker glass because of things like that, but we also do things a little bit better. Doesn't make us yeah, we're better. And it's not because I'm smarter, it's because I work harder and then I've learned things, so yes, I'm smarter. But that's only through work and experience. And so let me share you, outside of sounding completely arrogant and like, you know, all that, let me sidebar my ego and show you guys an ancient Chinese secret, huh? It is glass cleaner spray foam. And we use this on our windows and mirrors. And ammonia-free spray away, can get it at Home Depot. It's like $3.30 a can. I think if you buy 12, you get a discount. But we use this and it's really easy to apply. You just spray lines on the mirrors and then you use your squeegee. So if you haven't got somebody good enough and you're sick of looking at forehead sweat marks on the mirrors and butt stains, spray away. And then you'll have beautiful sea of mirrors like we have here at the Warehouse. Little top secret, little product. A lot of you probably have been to gyms where like the cable machines and the little like weight stacks seem sticky or hard or resistive, and it's really annoying. You want to use something, you're in there in your workout, you're like, oh, I'm gonna hit this, and it just feels like it's dragging on you, or it's just not well maintained, or the cables are broken, things like that. Well, I have a secret to maintaining a cable stack machine that runs on rails. It is a gun cleaner combo, gun cleaner and lubricant. I recommend it. This is a little secret we found through myself and cross-industry mixology, if you will, on applications of what works best. And I'll tell you what, a gun cleaner and lubricant combo is the best thing for a weight stack machine. Well, let me demonstrate. So over here, you guys, over here we have a nice older machine, a Magnum lat pull down super machine. And what we want to do is you'll see a lot of people just like, oh, okay, I'm gonna just lubricate the bearings like once a month. It's good to go. But you wonder why they don't work so good. Well, because you actually have to clean the rails. As you can see here, depending on the height and the size of people, you'll have this bearing push whatever dust and junk accumulates throughout the day in a larger space. It happens a lot. You see it more to where it gets gunked up on the rails. So what you want to do is simply just spray it and then clean it all the way down, top of your bearing, and then spray some lubrication on it. So make sure you go and you take it, a little cleaner, worth every single penny. See that? All the way down, clean the top of the bearing, and a little lubricant. And I'll tell you what, right now, just 10 times better. It's true weight, no added resistance throughout in different spots, not getting stuck on you, things like that. So one cool top secret maneuver here to maintain your stuff, gun cleaner. Who hates going into a gym and something in your routine or machine you see when you walk in and you want to go to use it, and you go to grab the attachment, the handle, the bar, and it's a cable machine and the cable machine has a sign on it because, oh, the cable broke. How many times? Hands out there, YouTube. How many times do you see that? Yep. And so anyway, it's super frustrating. And if you have a gym owner of a facility that you go to, your gym, or their maintenance guys, and they're too lazy, and you see something that's broken for more than a day or a week, that's ridiculous. Let me give you a top secret information. You can literally take a cable off right here, guys. These cables are literally set with Allen wrenches and nuts and bolts right here. You can, if you see this right here, you can literally undo this with a crescent wrench right here. You can literally take this off with a crescent wrench. We maintain this entire gym with a basic ass Craftsman tool set and like something that you would have in your car, okay? So all you have to do is unscrew it, unbolt it, take it out, take it to any rigging place in town, wherever you are. They are everywhere. They're literally everywhere. If you see that construction is happening in your city, I guarantee you there is a rigging place that sells cables, ropes, blocks, locks, all those things, you know, suspension, safety equipment. All you have to do is take it in, you walk, you Google them, and be like, hey, can you help me fix this? I need a new one. And they will take that cable, they'll either make a new one or they'll re-swedge another ring on it or repair it completely. These are anywhere from 20 to 60 bucks. Just fix them, all right? It's absolutely fucking ridiculous that people do not take care of their stuff. And so there's no reason that your equipment should not be down and you're not providing a service for your members. So you wanna know why we're the best is because we take care of our shit and we're on top of it. You don't need to call Nordic Track to fix a cable. You don't need to call a handyman, you know, and wait 2 weeks because everything's in short supply. Don't fool yourself and don't be stupid. Get it done and you'll be better off. Another one, we don't always only use cables, guys, right? Some of our machines, like different Magnums, Cybex and stuff like that, use belts, all right? Like the wire threaded rubber belts. Guess where those actually come from? I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with AutoZone. All right, check this out. Let me show you right here. Over here, we have one of our Mayhem Strength machines, and the belt on it broke. It was a very thin, kind of cheap belt, essentially with the design. And so machine had broken, it popped off, and I was able to repair it in an hour. I drove down the street, maybe 4 or 5 blocks to the local AutoZone and purchased a new belt. I believe this would be, you say it's Continental, multi-V, and I used wire cutters, cut it in half, and literally just bolted it and put it right back on. I got the exact length. That's where they come from. They are automotive band belts. That's all it is. Any machine, you can literally go and get a generic one of the exact same size, just show it to them. They'll hand you, oh, this is Mitsubishi 2016. Sweet, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna cut it and put it in a machine. And you just have to think outside the box. But that's actually where they come from. They are just automotive belts, and it's just a really cheap, inexpensive way. I think this costs $13. And so, kind of a fun, top secret thing you can do. If you ever have a belt, like, you know, pulled machine and things like that, you can really get them. And so also that's another top secret. You guys, any of your belt drives with like say your Stairmasters or more or less like treadmills, like treadmill motors, controllers and things like that, you can order online and put in yourself. They're YouTube it, super easy. But also those belts are crazy expensive from like Nordic Track, Life Fitness. They have a huge warehouse out in Ohio. You can go to AutoZone and replace the same thing. That's all they are. It's just a different brand of the same thing. And usually the ones that like Continental that are automotive, having the steel banding in it, like the ply of a tire, it makes them actually stronger and better quality because it's designed for a heavier application, like a car that can drive 100 miles an hour. All right, so kind of fun stuff. There's no reason to let your gym be down for months on end. Don't be lazy. You can fix it, and if you want, I can literally show you how. All right, you guys, thank you so much. We'll catch you on the next time of top secret tips and tricks of maintaining your facility. All right? Let us know what you think in the comments, you guys, and we'll talk to you soon.